Fire danger has been a significant factor in the rising cost of home insurance here in our state, but it's not the main reason we are seeing premiums just skyrocket here.
The #1 driver of insurance rates is hail, and today Governor Polis announced a plan that he says will lower rates significantly. Your political reporter Sean Boyd has covered this issue extensively for all of us.
So Sean, how quickly will we see any relief?
By next year, according to the governor. He released a roadmap that he says will reduce the average premium by $800 next year. It rests in part on whether the legislature passes a bill that creates a $30 million fund for hail-fortified roofs.
The high cost of homeowners insurance is a pain point for nearly every Coloradan.
Governor Polis and Insurance Commissioner Mike Conway say Colorado's insurance premiums have soared 100% in the last 6 years, but they have a plan to change the trajectory.
With this roadmap, with previous legislation, with current legislation combined, I'm highly confident we will achieve an $800 reduction in out-of-pocket costs for homeowners insurance by the end of next year.
Among the key components of the roadmap, measures to make new homes more resilient, including a new wildfire building code that ensures new homes are fire hardened, and a bill that, if passed, would help fund hail-fortified roofs across the state.
Hail risk is a significant and biggest driver of premiums, even in counties that don't see as much hail.
Colorado is the second in the nation for hail claims, and those claims account for 2/3 of our premiums. A bill sponsored by Representative Kyle Brown would assess a 0.5% fee on insurers to fund a $30 million grant program for homeowners to buy hail-fortified roofs.
Hail-resistant roofs can be more expensive, and so we want to make sure that cost is not a barrier for folks when they are trying to create a more resilient community, a more resilient home that will ultimately benefit everyone in terms of their insurance rates.
Under the bill, insurers who support the measure could not pass the fee on to policyholders. Conway says his office will ensure homeowners' rates account for their mitigation, both hail and wildfire.
And we need to encourage people to do more mitigation, but in order to encourage them, we need to make sure that they're getting that return on investment.
We want homeowners insurance to be less expensive rather than more expensive, and that's exactly what we're going to deliver on.
Another bill making its way through the legislature would allow homeowners to put $50,000 a year into a tax-exempt savings account that they could use for mitigation, hail-fortified roofs, or insurance deductibles. The governor says Colorado has the 6th most expensive homeowners insurance in the country, but he says the measures that are outlined in his roadmap will drop us to 13th by the end of next year.
All right.
So
certainly some good news, right?
Yeah.
Sounds good. All right. Thank you, Sean.